So it's been a few months since we last met like this. Made a few community posts over the last couple of months or so, and mainly talking about videography, photography and all that jazz. I even put up a poll the other week just to see if anyone would be interested in some videography, and you kind of said yes, so here we go. So what I've done is come to a cold park in the middle of London, or not middle, kind of outskirty area, and thought I'd make a little video here talking about what we're going to be doing these days. So let's continue our walk. So what's been happening? Well, since May actually, I've been getting back into videography and photography work, and ended up starting my own business just kind of on an off comment from one of my managers at work, who actually said I'm pretty good at it. So started to get back into it, started a business. It's been a passion of mine since 2009 roughly, making old crappy videos on an old handmade stabilizer in an abandoned building, taking photographs. To be fair, some of them were actually pretty good. 35mm film makes anything look pretty decent, doesn't it, half the time? And kind of from there, it's just snowballed, and I thought maybe I should take you guys along with the journey. Anyway, let's keep walking. So what is going on with the content here? What are we going to be making over the next few months? Well, got a whole list for you. We're basically going to be doing everything there is to do with videography and photography. Going to be doing tutorials, going to be doing behind the scenes content, we're going to be doing business tips, we'll be doing lifestyle tips. I've been kind of getting into lifestyle and the whole wellness and trying to be a better human. That's why I'm up at bloody I don't know, I got up at 6 today to get here for sunrise, and may have left a little bit early, but we made it nonetheless. Basically, it's going to be a space for creativity and just posting whatever I feel like. There won't be much of a schedule. It'll be kind of posting up as and when I do projects, as and when I kind of film tutorials. But so if any of that interests you, maybe stick around, pop a comment, do a subscribe, and maybe I'll see you around. So, see you soon and take care.